The largest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance Holdings Ltd, has been hammered hard by huge outflows of cash as traders scramble to take custody of their tokens in the wake of reports that rival FTX may have misappropriated customer assets before the exchange's collapse in November. So in this video we will discuss about Binance hit by crypto outflows as FTX's fall shakes exchanges. In July 2021, FTX Exchange was the third largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world and a leading centralized cryptocurrency exchange. The exchange specialized in derivatives and leveraged products. FTX was established in 2019 by Sam Bankman-Fried, a graduate of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, who had previously worked as an international exchange, traded funds, ETFs, trader for Jane Street Capital. The company provided a variety of trading products, such as derivatives, options, volatility products, and leveraged tokens. At the beginning of November 2022, the stock exchange and the companies that revolved around it began a precipitous fall from favor. Both FTX, based in the Bahamas, and its FTX US affiliate had management teams that overlapped with one another, but they had different capital structures. Trade could only take place through FTX US for people living in the United States. Sam Bankman-Fried, the former chief executive officer of the defunct cryptocurrency trading firm FTX, was taken into custody in the Bahamas on December 12, 2022. This occurred after the United States Attorney for the Southern District of New York provided the Bahamian government with a confidential 8-point indictment. It is anticipated that Bankman-Fried will be extradited to the United States, but he is fighting this. In a court in the Bahamas, the bail request was denied. On November 11, 2022, FTX submitted a petition for protection under Chapter 11 of the United States Bankruptcy Code, and Bankman-Fried resigned. According to the documents filed in bankruptcy court by FTX, the company, which was once estimated to be worth $32 billion, has $8 billion in liabilities that it is unable to pay to as many as 1 million creditors. According to John J. Ray III, the newly appointed chief executive of the cryptocurrency exchange, the failure of the exchange was a complete failure of corporate control, which led to the collapse of the exchange. According to statistics from research firm Nansen as of 9:20 a.m. in London, the net outflows of digital tokens from Binance amounted to roughly $3.7 billion in the past week, including almost $2 billion in the last 24 hours. This information is based on transactions that took place on the exchange. Day number was about 18 times greater than the next greatest daily outflow, which came from Bitfinex and accounted for the second largest daily efflux. Before we continue, subscribe us now for more crypto-related videos and updates. In recent days, Changpeng Zhao, the creator of Binance, has turned to Twitter to voice his optimism regarding the future of the company. A request for comment on the outflows was sent to Binance, but a spokeswoman for the company did not react right away. Following the failure of FTX and the arrest of its creator, Sam Bankman-Fried, on Monday, there is a heightened level of fear that other dominoes could fall in the cryptocurrency industry. As a result, the outflows from exchanges are being closely examined. There are allegations that client funds were mishandled, which contributed to the collapse of the former mogul's empire, which resulted in the creation of potentially over 1 million creditors and eroded trust in the sector. Alex Svanovic, the chief executive officer of Nansen, was asked about Binance's recent outflows, and he responded by saying, "The flows are still quite moderate considering Binance's reserves. But considering all that's taken place, it shouldn't come as much of a surprise that many people are opting to take a cautious approach." On Tuesday, the United States Securities and Exchange Commission announced that it had filed charges against Bankman-Fried, accusing him of orchestrating a plan to deceive equity investors in FTX. On Tuesday, the native token of the exchange, Binance Coin, had a drop of as much as 7.1% and was down 3.3% as of 10:30 a.m. local time in London. Bitcoin and Ether, the two cryptocurrencies with the most market share, are both very sophisticated. According to Nansen, market maker Jump Trading is one of the entities that has begun withdrawing funds from Binance platform. According to the data, Jump withdrew a net amount of $18.4 million over the course of the past 24 hours and $123.4 million over the course of the past 7 days using the Ethereum blockchain. Even though a market maker like Jump frequently moves significant sums into and out of exchanges, it's unusual to see such continuous outflows without any inflows at all. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt are referred to as FUD in the cryptocurrency industry. Binance and Zhao have made significant efforts to combat any attempts to cast a shadow of FUD over the company. That includes making an attempt to reassure people about its reserves. For example, in a blog post published in November, Binance revealed the addresses of digital asset wallets containing tokens with a combined value of around $69 billion. The report on the exchange's proof of reserves was made public the week before last. The document, which is based on a snapshot study conducted by the accounting firm Mazars, demonstrates that the exchange possesses an adequate amount of crypto assets to balance out its entire platform liabilities. However, the report notes that it does not constitute a genuine audit of Binance's financial statements and therefore does not provide an accurate depiction of the company's overall financial health. After a loss of $2 trillion in digital assets over the course of the previous year, the cryptocurrency industry is still trapped in a deep depression. The decline has been characterized by a string of failures, the most significant of which may have been FTX's, which was previously estimated to be worth $32 billion. FTX's wipeout is an event that Zhao may have helped expedite by tweeting on November 6 about plans to sell a $530 million holding of FTX's native digital token. If this is the case, then Zhao is partially responsible for the occurrence. Zhao, also known by his alias CZ, has been working hard to rebuild consumers' faith in the sector. A month ago, he made a commitment to establish a recovery fund with the potential to hold up to $2 billion in order to assist promising cryptocurrency firms who are experiencing a shortage of liquidity. He has also stated that Binance U.S. intends to resurrect its offer to purchase the assets of the bankrupt financial institution Voyager Digital. In the aftermath of FTX's bankruptcy filing on November 11, Binance has strengthened its position as the most important cryptocurrency exchange. Its daily average trading volume in the first week of December was over 8 times higher than that of Coinbase Global Inc., the company that came in second place. During the final week of October, the similar figure was approximately 7 times higher. Calculations based on information provided by Keiko, a source of information on digital assets, led to this conclusion. However, publicly traded Coinbase has been less affected by users removing cryptocurrency. According to statistics provided by Nansen, Coinbase saw a net outflow of $546 million over the course of the past week and a tiny inflow over the course of the last 24 hours. This finishes our today's video. Do share your feedback with us in the comments and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching.